The impact wrench is an absolutely useful tool in any workshop. Often, you might have encountered rusty bolts or nuts that just refuse to come out or be replaced. This tool is a highly effective tool that can help you remove these nuts and bolts without stress and quickly. There are several models from several manufacturers on the market, and it can be a challenge to select the best impact wrench for you. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeWALT DCF 899HB Impact Wrench. We kick off this post about the best impact wrench with the DeWALT DCF 899HB Impact Wrench. This impact wrench makes an excellent case of being the best cordless impact wrench on the market, and it is arguably the best impact wrench that you can buy right now. It comes with several interesting features and functions that make it a top option. For instance, it comes with a 20-volt brushless motor. In the buying guide, we will see why this is especially awesome, but for now, we are very happy to find it in this wrench. Aside from the impressive motor, it also comes with a powerful anvil that ensures that the impact wrench can give you the power of up to 700 pound/feet and speed up to 1900 RPM. It also comes with a variable speed adjuster that ensures that you have more control over the whole process. If you work in low light conditions, you will definitely appreciate the LED work light feature that comes with the tool. All these lovely features come in a durable, well-constructed tool that can last for a long time. The DeWALT is designed to survive falls of up to 6 feet. Number 2. Porter-Cable 20V Max Impact Wrench. If you work with cars, then you will likely fall in love with the next product on this list, the Porter-Cable 20V Max Impact Wrench. Folks that work with cars will thoroughly enjoy the sturdy casing and robust overall construction of this tool. Due to its construction, you can use it for a long period, enduring drops and impacts without fretting about damaging the tool. Aside from the impact resistance, it is also excellent because it firmly resists other damaging things like corrosion and the chemicals present in cars. Unlike the models we have reviewed so far, this model does not have a brushless motor. Nevertheless, the motor under the hood is just powerful enough for your requirements. If you require power up to 300 pound/feet, then you will find this model to be an excellent companion. Along with 1650 RPM, you have in your hands a tool that is ready to take on your serious tasks. While the absence of a brushless motor is a bummer, the main downside of this tool is the weight and size. It is one of the largest in this roundup. Number 3. Ryobi P1833 Impact Wrench. If you are conversant with power tools manufacturers, you might very well have been wondering when the Ryobi brand would appear on this list. Well, here it is. The Ryobi P1833 is arguably the best product from this manufacturer as the ratings and numbers show. We love the small and compact size and the surprising punch that it packs. It comes with a decent 18V motor that can deliver up to 300 pounds/feet of torque. Additionally, this motor gives you 3200 IPM. All of these show that it is a small but mighty tool. One reason why many folks love buying Ryobi products is the fact that the batteries of their tools are interchangeable. This product is no different, as well. As it is a cordless option, you need all the juice you can get, and this product doesn't disappoint. It comes at a reasonable price as well. The only downside is that it isn't meant for heavy-duty applications. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Impact Wrench. The next impact wrench on our list is from BLACK+DECKER. The manufacturer has proudly made a good name with users down the years and retains a good standing due to their tools. This model, the BLACK+DECKER BDCI-20C, is a highly versatile wrench and is also very affordable. It is one of the best cheapest impact wrenches on the market today. We love the fact that it not only serves as an impact wrench, but it also doubles as an impact driver. Hence, you can fix screwdriver bits and wrench-style sockets to the chuck. Due to this dual design, you can use it for bolts and screws without plenty of fuss. On the downside, the low price means that you will not enjoy all the extra features that come in more expensive models. For instance, it does not come with a brushless motor, variable speed control, safety features and more.